let's take one last look at navigation and routing. There's a lot more to this than meets the eye, and we're just scratching the surface, but I just want to whet your appetite. Give you the basics so that you can navigate around in your application. What we're going to do next is we're going to actually add a widget and navigate from inside the widget. Let's go ahead and pop open our lib folder. We've got our screens, we've got our main, and everything is as expected. Simply have some push named in here. Let's go ahead and let's make a new widget here. We're going to call this My Widget, and let's just build this out. And we're just going to extend stateless widget because this isn't going to hold a state of any kind. And we're going to override the build. In here, let's just add a button. Let's add a card actually so we can visually see where the widget is. Pretty simple little widget. There's really not a whole lot going on here. And in the onPressed, we're just going to add our navigator.of, grab the current context, push named, and let's say we want this to go home. So you can see the code is exactly the same and it exhibits the same behavior, but we want to test this out just to make sure. So let's go to our second page, and in here, let's add a new widget here. Let's import this. We're going to import the My Widget. Save this, and let's run it and see what happens. All right, full restart was completed. Click Next, and boom, we have a problem right off the bat here. What's going on? Line 11, semicolon expected. Boy, that always gets me. All right, so line 11, position 82, My Widget. Where is that? Oh, right here. Sorry about that. I was hoping it would be a really complex error that we could solve. So we're going to hit Next, and here's our widget. You can see how it says click to navigate, and just goes back home. Notice how it also contains the route history, even though it came from a widget. Doesn't matter where it is in your child hierarchy, it's going to use the same routing. Why? Because everything extends from this widget right here, My App. Everything's a part of this material app, therefore you're going to have all your routing contained right in there.